Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And guys, as I promised you in my previous video, today in this video I'm going to discuss about uh, the flavor, one of the flavors, which is Kubuntu of Ubuntu, and the latest version of this Kubuntu operating system is 20.04 LTS. And in this video we are going to see what are the new features and how to install it. Okay, so guys, first of all, here I will tell you once again, it is one of the flavors of Ubuntu. Okay, and now it is available to use. And let me take highlighter. So guys, here the team of Kubuntu is very happy to announce that they have released 20.04 LTS long term service or support, and it has couple of features like it came with a beautiful KDE Plasma 5.18 LTS, simple by default and powerful when needed. Okay, and code named Focal Fossa. Kubuntu 20.04 continues the tradition of giving you friendly computing by integrating the latest and greatest open source technologies into a high quality, easy to use Linux distributions. And the team has been hard at work through this cycle, introducing new features and fixing bugs, all the bugs what we had or we were facing in previous version. So they have fixed all those things in this version. And in this, guys, there have been updates to many core packages, including a new 5.4 based kernel, KDE framework 5.68, Plasma 5.18 LTS, and KDE applications 19.12.3. And once again, Kubuntu has seen many updates for other applications, both in a default installation or uh, installable from the Ubuntu archives. So we can default. We will see lots of applications to be installing. Then even we can install later on. Elisa is a new music player. Here we will say this. First of all, we will verify it. And apart from this, uh, cantata as a default, it is being replaced now. And KDEConnect has a major new feature release. Krita, Kdevelop, Digikam, latte-dock, and many more applications are updated here. Apart from this, guys, applications that are key for day-to-day usage are included and updated, such as Firefox, VLC, and LibreOffice. And for this release, we provide this foundation who is taking care of this, provide Thunderbird for email support. However, the KDE suite, including Contact and Kmail, is still available to install from the archive. If we talk about core desktop and applications, so here web browser, email client, and Office suite. Firefox 75 is the default browser here, and this will receive security version updates throughout 2.04 LTS lifetime. And Thunderbird is now the email client provided on the default install and replacing Kmail, but still we can install this. And this LibreOffice 6.4 is provided by default in full installation. And there are core new and updated applications such as Elisa 19.12.3 music player by default, and latte-dock is updated to 0.9.10. KDEConnect is updated to 1.4.0, and Krita is updated to 4.2.9. Kdevelop is updated to 5.5.0. Digikam is updated to 6.4.0. So guys, these are the features, and now I will show you how to install it. So guys, Let me see. I have iOS images, so I need to connect my pen drive here. Okay, and as of now I am using VMware Workstation to install. So as you can see, it is VMware Workstation 15 Pro, and let me check my pen drive is connected or not. No, because I have ISO images. So guys, you can go to web, and you can download easily like Kubuntu. Okay, you can see that the latest is coming on top only here. I have this one. Okay, so it is coming on top, and you can just go here and download it. Click give download, and now you can go to this website, and from here you can download it easily. So you can see, and there are lots of websites also providing it because it is free. Now here, yes, my pen drive came and I have downloaded ISO. Later in my coming up video we will discuss about other flavor also, like Ubuntu and all. So here we will create one virtual machine and give next year. Yes, it is Ubuntu family. So I'm giving Kubuntu name here, and I need to keep this file somewhere. So I am taking that folder. I'm giving 20 GB. I will be installing default installation. I will not create any partition here. Okay, and this Kubuntu I'm going to install, and in coming up video we will see a couple of things about Fedora also. Okay, and power on this virtual machine. Installation has begun here. So it is asking you like boot from hard disk, start Kubuntu, like that. So it is telling you like press F1 for help, F2 language, and key map, F3, F4 modes, accessibility, other options. Okay, so I'm just giving enter here, and you can see this, it is checking couple of files. So you can cancel this file check by pressing Ctrl C. So I did it because it will take some time. I skipped this one, and now we'll see further here. I'm waiting for it. In my next video I will install this flavor Ubuntu, and then next video Fedora. Fedora is also very good operating system, and it is available in both workstation as well as server mode. So first of all we will see desktop only, because people are generally use for desktop purpose at home especially, and we are waiting for the next process here for installation. It will ask you for language, which language, and location. Okay, so guys, this is the first step here. Now it is asking whether you want to try Kubuntu or you want to install. So we are installing it. Click install Kubuntu. Okay, now it is telling you which language you want, keyboard layout basically. So I'm going with US only, and you can drag it like this and click continue. It is asking for normal installation or minimal installation, and again other options like download, update while installing, or install third-party software. So I'm removing all those things and going with normal installation, because it will give you more applications and more things like web browser, utility, office software, plug additional internet applications and all. and here you will get only like web browsers plus basic utilities and applications, and click continue. So I selected normal installation only, not minimal. Now we'll see further here. So now guys, it is asking you installation type. So where would you like to install Kubuntu? Like use entire disk, okay, complete whatever space we have, or we can create like use entire disk and set up VLM. So it is for security purpose. I'm not using that. I'm going with this default only first one. And even I can go with manual. So here I can create multiple partitions. I'm not doing that. Okay, and if you select this one, then you will have to, I'm not using this one. Okay, I'm just going with first one. It is for encryption. I discussed about all those things in my previous video, one of my previous video, where I had installed Ubuntu. It will encrypt your hard disk if you select that option, and it will generate one key, and that will required whenever you start your computer. So location is India only. I'm selecting zone, region zone, and give continue here. And now it is asking, so I'm giving username k admin. Okay, and password, you can give one password. And virtual machine, I'm giving -01. Okay, and it is asking you like require password to log in or log in automatically. So I want password and continue now. So we'll see here couple of things now. Thanks for picking Kubuntu, and it is copying files. So guys, if you are connected to internet, it will download lots of files from internet. So I'm just disconnecting it. It will download packages. So if you want, you can download, because yes, it required couple of graphic drivers also. So I'm not wasting time here. I don't want to waste time. So that is why I'm not selecting that option, or I just disconnected internet because it takes time as well. So guys, I will pause it. Meanwhile, once the installation is done, I will continue, or let me show you a couple of things here. So if you click here and see, it is installing like Firefox and library, and couple of things here, VLC media player, and lots of things. So all, each and everything we will verify once the installation is done. So that once this installation is done, it will ask you to restart this operating system, and then only we can log in. So it will copy, it will download, it will extract lots of things. So all those things will take some time, and we have to wait till the time. Almost finished copying files. 84% done. 86 now. And even it is providing you online support. You can go to support, community, you can connect community. No matter your skill level, getting involved when helping to mold the future of Kubuntu is easy, and you are more than welcome to help out. The work you do will be seen by millions of people around the world. The installation will be finished soon. We hope you enjoy Kubuntu. So it is done. Let's see what is coming now. If you are connected to internet, it will be downloading lots of packages and all. So as of now, it is retrieving file and all. You can see here, retrieving file 55 of 55, scanning the mirror 10%, retrieving file 1 of 3 10%. So guys, I will pause it meanwhile. Okay, once all installation is done, I will continue. So guys, now you can see it is got installed successfully, and it is asking, you can see here installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. So I am restarting this one. Okay, very simple. And now we will see the new applications and features, little bit thing about it. And very simple guys, you can install it on your desktop computer and enjoy, because it is very free, no need to pay. Okay, like Windows 7, Windows 10 and all, we will have to activate keys after a few days, but here nothing is required. It will check all the configuration required, whatever is done so far, whether it is working properly or not. So now this is the login window, and I gave password I need to give here, and this is what we have done. Successful installation of Kubuntu. You can see here Plasma made by KDE. Okay, so guys, if you have good internet speed, please install drivers, graphic drivers, so you will get better screen here. So this is what we will be seeing here. So this is your start button here. Okay, and this is browser, discover, software update. So this is software center. Basically, you can go to software center and see what you can do in this subject. Okay, like applications, application add-ons, plasma add-ons, a couple of things you can remove and add. Okay, and I'm not doing anything here. Installed settings, you can see. I'm just going back here, and this is office, and this is file manager, and this came here, desktop, documents, download, music. And apart from this device, you have, this is your drive where OS is installed, and Elisa player I should search. Let me see, Elisa. So it is telling you, it is showing you Elisa music player because it is newly updated in this. Okay, as of now I'm not connected to any drive, and I will have to connect and run music, so I'm not doing that. Okay, and here you can see this option is application part. It will show you application part, like, you know, office. You can click here. So this is your office, and office writer, mathematics, presentation. And apart from this, more you can explore here for graphic, internet, multimedia, utility. You can see here, this is archive tool. You can click this, and no archive as of now. Okay, and apart from this, you can see history, what you open, leave, like if you want to, what you want to do, shut down, restart, sleep, and switch user, log out, log. Apart from this, what you can do, you can even, you know, do a couple of things like change panel, activities you can monitor. And guys, install it and try to explore each and everything. Okay, so in this video I just wanted to show you this much information, and I hope you will enjoy it. You will learn it about Ubuntu installation and what else we have new in this. And in next video I will be discussing about this is Fedora, but I will be talking about first Ubuntu. Okay, one more flavor. I will try to cover all 4-5 flavor, and later on we will discuss about Fedora. So guys, if you feel it is informative, what you have to do is just like, share and comment, and then subscribe the channel and hit this bell icon on your YouTube channel. So guys, I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.